Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Chemistry plays a huge role in JEE and today we will dive deep into the top books for all the three branches: physical, inorganic and organic chemistry. So let's get started. For physical chemistry, I recommend Physical Chemistry by O.P. Tandon, a go-to book for concept clarity. Second book I recommend is Numerical Chemistry by P. Bahadur, excellent for solving numerical problems effectively. Moving forward to inorganic chemistry, here are the must-read books. First book, Concise Inorganic Chemistry by J.D. Lee, a comprehensive and concise explanation. Second book I recommend is NCERT textbook, essential for conceptual understanding and direct JEE questions. So for organic chemistry, don't miss Organic Chemistry by Morrison and Boyd, a highly detailed and structured resources. Second book, Advanced Problems in Organic Chemistry by M.S. Chauhan, great for in-depth problem solving. With these books, you will have all the tools to tackle any chemistry questions in JEE. Which branch of chemistry do you find the toughest? Drop your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more books recommendation in our next videos.